Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add the music to a Vimeo video. First, go to vimeo.com and then choose the video you want to add the music to. You can select a video from your recent videos, or you can go to the library and choose a video from the library. Here you can see all of your uploaded videos. Let's choose this one, for example. Click on it. This will take you to the video interface. Click on the scissors icon and then click on the scissors icon again, which is the other option. This will take you to the video creation page. Now go to the music section. Here you can choose to add a song or music from the library provided by Vimeo, or you can upload your own music or audio. Click on upload and then click on agree. After choosing, you just have to drag your music to the timeline like this. And here you can trim it and choose where you want your audio to start and where you want it to stop. And you can use these handles to trim your audio like this. And that's it. Once you're happy with the results, click on save. And now the changes have been applied. Wait for the rendering to complete. And then click on share. You can change the privacy of the privacy settings of your video, and you can just click on share and then share the link to your video by copying the link, or you can embed your video on your website. And that's how you can add music to your video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.